Hi, welcome back. I thought it would be fun to work on the cloud pour technique today. It's been a while since I have completed one, and I have wanted to do one without using the color white as the clouds. I am using Craft Smart acrylic craft paints, and I will list all of the colors in the description box below this video. To create the cloud effect, I am using DecoArt Americana Satin Enamel in the Honey Gold color. This color is so pretty, and I think it'll complement the other colors very well. I am mixing all of my paints with pouring medium, and I'm using the ratio of 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. When I'm done mixing, they should all have pretty much the same consistency of a nice fluid paint that'll flow nicely over the canvas. I did add a touch more pouring medium to the satin enamel paint because it is a little thicker than the craft paints. I am layering my paints in my silicone cup mainly because I do like the idea that I can reuse this cup, and it has a nice pour spout on it. Once my cup is full, I'm going to pour the paint onto the canvas using the tree ring technique. I love this technique because it creates the circles that mimic the rings on a tree, and it offers a unique style that I love when it gets stretched out. I am loving how this has turned out, but I feel like I have overstretched it and I have lost a lot of that satin enamel brightness that I wanted with the cloud pour. With the remaining paint in my cup, I am doing another tree ring on top of the existing paint. One thing that I've learned in my art is don't be afraid to work in layers. It's okay. And as you can see, this is turning out much better, and I'm liking the brightness of that honey gold paint. I went ahead and filled up my cup one more time, and I'm getting some more of the tree ring circles on it, and I'm going to use my stir stick just to add a little more characteristic to it as I pour, just to see what happens. The rose is starting to take shape, and I think it is looking so pretty. At first I kind of thought it looked like a retro rose, but then as I was looking on Google about roses, I found the honey mustard rose, which the name is perfect for this piece. I'm going to touch up the sides and edges, and as I finish up here, let me know what you think about this in the comment box below. Let me know if you've done the tree ring technique or the cloud pour. I would love to hear your stories, and I would definitely love to see your art. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.